This grinder works a lot better than my corded grinder. It's more powerful, a lot easier to maneuver and use without having any cord or anything in the way, and updated features make it a lot more accessible.
Flathead angle grinder, it had plenty of power. It didn't bog down or nothing. It just kept the same power through the whole grind.
A lot of times when you're mating up surfaces on iron, you get weird angles and confined spaces, and if you have to get in there and touch something up, do some grinding, you can't do it if you don't have that low profile head. There'd be no way to get in there.
A lower profile head on the grinder makes it much easier to get into those tight spaces and work effectively without having to worry about constantly maneuvering or jamming yourself in a space.
With the rapid stop, you set the grinder down, the wheel's already stopped.
Having everything stop when you need it to makes it a lot easier to set the tool down and not worry about what it's doing.
Trying to get into bad spaces and being able to use one tool instead of having to go back and get something else to get in that space could definitely save time.